Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Let's cook Moo Shoo chicken. Frying pan, medium high heat. I preheat the frying pan for a couple minutes. Nice and hot. How do I know nice and hot? I can feel the heat. So I got some tofu that I bought last time. Remember I told you? When you have something, you cook it. You bought it, you cook it. And we have this beautiful chicken strip. About 3.5 ounces. Cut it into a little strip. Marinated with some beatenate, like a 1 teaspoon. And adding a couple teaspoons of the cornstarch and drizzle some sesame oil to give them a binding of easy to brown, easy to cook. And once you add the raw meat in, let them cook for a little bit. Same like a tofu. Until you see the light pink. Give them a flip. Here I got some cabbage. Some green onion. Spring onion. Wood ear mushroom. Shiitake mushroom. And some bamboo shoo. Here we go. Break it apart a little bit. Tofu is good. Vegetables cooking. The temperature of this frying pan is perfect. How do I know it? I can hear the sizzle sound of the dish that you cook. Not overpowering heat. Make sure cannot be low heat. So the chicken still pink in the middle. Almost done. And then we can crack an egg right in here. At the meantime, some ginger, some garlic, and then hoisin sauce is the key. The sweet bean paste sauce. This is the main ingredient for Moo Shoo. I will add a little bit of soy sauce, not much. Soy sauce just for color and for the sodium. A little bit oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is for balance, the flavor, right? Got it so far? And we can add a little bit of sesame oil. It's a nice fragrant, nice good oil to cook. Not much. I think we start to have a habit cooking in one pot now. So the egg scramble. Okay, here, cook. Here, cook. Break down the chicken. Because the chicken you have binding with the egg and the cornstarch. 70% cooked. Now we can mix it all together. I noticed that the heat, every time you add something, the heat go low. So I turn a little higher. Without the heat, the flavor is not going to be there. Can you hear it? You notice that? Once you turn on the heat higher, the sound become increasing louder. Get some black pepper. Home cooked is more flavorful. More nutrition, more healthy. But you still have to come to my restaurant, okay? Cook it for a couple minutes. I want the cabbage to cook through and the sauce get into the cabbage. Looking good. Hey, we got more room here, look. What else we can cook? Right here. Voila! When you stir, dig down to the bottom of the pan so you will preserve the tofu. Good shape. Look at that. Beautiful. I think it's done. Okay. We turn it off. Right? While the pot and pan is still nice and hot, I got this tortilla. Or Moo Shoo pancake, whatever you call. Put it in here. The fire's off. Yes. And I'm gonna add something like here. Okay. Some here. Alright, I'm gonna create a pouch. Because the Moo Shoo is we're gonna fold here and fold here and fold here and eat it by hand. But the key, I want to make sure my first bite are the bomb. The first bite is what your guests, your family, your friends coming, try your food. The first bite is the most. A lot of people put right in here a lot of goodie and the top here is empty. No, the first bite we'll put a nice piece of chicken and a nice piece of egg in the vegetable. So when they bite into it, it's good. And this, we don't care. I'm just joking. Okay, now put some hoisin sauce, refreshing the flavor. Not too much. We want to have a good flavor. So now, I hope it's not too hot for me to fold. I think it's going to be too hot, but you fold like this, right? And then you fold this part, right? The wheat tortilla is more fragile than the regular flour tortilla. So we go like this. Ooh, hot. It's too hot. I leave it too long, but it's okay. So look at that. How beautiful that is. Let's say we want to extra impress your girlfriend. Put a little more meat here. Maybe she likes chicken, right? Put more in here. And maybe a little more egg to balance the meat. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Yeah? Moo Shoo. I love Moo Shoo. Actually the tortilla is good. Nice and warm. The cabbage is nice tender. Egg, nice scrambled chicken, beautiful flavor with this hoisin sauce. And the light sodium, very good. Ginger garlic combined together. It's just so natural sweetness. Wow. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.